go. We've just left Lizard Island. That's where we were this morning, way up there. We're on the way to the Ribbon Reefs now. Hopefully get there by just after lunchtime. Hopefully we can get a dive in the Savo and chase some fish. And might maybe go try for some dogtooth tuna or some jogfish, something like that. Just depends on the wind. Otherwise we'll just try to shoot some reef fish. But at the moment I think we're going to chuck the rods out because we're out of the zone, out of the green zone now. So we'll chuck the rods out, see if we can get like a mackerel or something to pass the time. So we got about 4 hours, I reckon. Surely one of these dogs go off. Fire up, Sal!
This is the one, Sal! Yes, please!
Yeah, Sally!
Come on, Sal! Stop fucking around, Sal! Let's go, baby!
Yes, Sal! Oh my god, what have we got? No, definitely still something on that.
Let's go, Queen!
Yes, Queen. Oh, what are we running? There we go, we got colour. We've got colour. Holy, it looks solid, eh? Oh my god. Holy shit, it looks massive.
Oh my god, Queen.
Yeah, I'm gonna fall in.
Oi, it's a massive Spanish.
Oh my god, I'm freaking out.
Good.
Look at the size of it.
Let's see.
Oh my god. Bro.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh, there's a whale!
Alright, just concentrate, Sal. Alright, just let it go, it's gonna dive. This looks like a huge Spanish, eh?
Oh my god.
That looks like a donkey, eh? Holy shit. That's a good one. That's a big Spanish, bro.
Oh my god.
I don't reckon we'll be able to keep this, so it'll be filled with sig.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit, he's a big Spanish, bros.
My back hurts.
Yeah, I bet it does. You hold him over, Tone, and I'll try and get him. We'll just watch out. That might fling that lure.
That look. Oh,
Oh,
no.
he's just snapped. It's all right. We got leader. Nice, Sal.
Oh my god.
Have a go at the conditions today. Yeah, good. Tell you what, as soon as Papa left, it's bloody turned on. Have a go at that. We have arrived. Absolutely primo. Full fringe reef, and then it's just Pacific Ocean. So hopefully we're on for some good diving. There's so many bombies, like 1, 2, 3. There's a big one over there, one there, about 5 up there. So good.
I don't know about you, but I gotta get it out, and I don't know how.
we're back on board. Good arvo's dive. Tony's come in clutch. Nice little blue spot. Not really little either. Alrighty. Day 2. Let's hope it's better than day 1, at least for my sake anyway. Water's quite clear, so I'm gonna go get in on, hopefully try and get a doggy after we saw a big one yesterday, so that'd be sick. But if we don't get that, we'll probably just try for some reef fish and stuff like that. Go have a bit of fun. Anyway, see you out there.
As I got fucking mummy rats, and the boys will go out.
How's the haul from this morning? 2 good sized corals, common trout, blue spot trout, another common trout, and a pretty big moon. We've done well. Absolutely primo. Nice little arvo sesh, couple moon, another trouty, and a big ass longnose. Now time to sit back and drink beers. Let's go. What do you reckon, Tony? Beer o'clock?
Yeah, well due for a beer.